Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Friday, April 28. The time is 2 a.m. GMT. So we are looking at the chart of the Nasdaq today. This is a 45 minutes chart QQQ, and we're looking for extension higher here. We completed with two pullback at $309.78, and then since then it has rallied higher again. Now you notice here in the area here is also the 100% extension of the WXY. This W is clearly in three swings, which is kind of giving a hint that this pullback, the entire pullback, is corrective. Okay, so now we are getting close to break. I think we might have already broken. Let me double check. This high here is 322.8 and this one is 322.16. Yeah, so we already breaks above this previous peak, which is suggesting that this arrow here should be actually green here, right? Because it is it has confirmed by breaking above the previous peak. So now we're looking for a continuation higher within this wave 3 in the minute degree, and any pullback from this point on should continue to find support in 3 swing or in 7 swing against 309 and continues to extend higher. Now this one, QQQ, is a ETF that track the Nasdaq 100, right? In fact, in a few days back we have a chart of the day from the Nasdaq itself, and you can watch it in our previous the old chart of the day. Here you can see we highlighted the same area that you see here as a potential support, which is the same area, and we also highlighted how this first leg here is a 3 waves. Watch that video if you want to know more. And we said that we're gonna find buyers soon, and then it's gonna extend higher, which it did. So it's precisely from the area here from the Nasdaq and QQQ, which is technically the same, and this started to turn higher, right? So now we have broken above the previous peak, therefore confirming that this is indeed the end of the correction. Now if we zoom out a little bit to get an idea where the 1 and 2 is here, this 1 and 2 in the black here. So here is the 4-hour time frame, right? So this is the 1, right, which is the same as this one, and the 2 obviously is over here. So this one here is a 5 waves rally that started from this level here from March 13, right? So from March 13 you have a wave 1 over here, and then you finish the wave 2 here, and then it makes new high. So what this is saying is that if you just simply project the move here, right? So let's say if it can go to a full 100% extension, then this is going to go to 347 potentially, right? As the target on the upside. Now of course it's not going to go up straight, you know, like this. It's going to go up and down, but as long as we stay above this previous low here, which is what this previous low here at 309, then we can continue to see more upside. So you can see right here we're looking to finish one with 1 soon from here, like this, right? And then you're gonna get this pullback again. It's not gonna straight up going higher. You're gonna have this pullback like this, 2, then going higher again, 3, 4, 5, like so, at least, right, before finishing with 3, potentially at the 100%. Usually the wave 3 can even go more than 100%, but usually we are using the 100% as kind of like the minimum potential target here for wave 3, which is the 347. All right, so for now, as long as the pullback stays above 309, then we can continue to see more upside. So that's the update for today, and as always, if you want to get more updates on indices, ETF, or Forex, commodities, we do have 14-day trial, and the link is provided in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.